Struggling to get past Binance's secondary verification and secure your crypto? You're not alone, and this is how we'll fix it. First, let's address the most common hiccup, the secondary verification error. Often, this pops up when your Authenticator app code is out of sync, or you're using an old code. The simplest fix is to wait for the next valid code from your Authenticator app. Whether it's Google Authenticator or Authy, make sure your phone's time is automatically synced to network time, as this is crucial for code accuracy. If the issue persists, try resetting your Authenticator app on Binance. Navigate to your account security settings. You'll find an option to disable and then renable Google Authenticator. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, which will involve scanning a new QR code with your Authenticator app and entering a new verification code. For those who've lost access to their Authenticator device or want to switch methods, account recovery is your best friend. Head to the Binance login page, click Help or Forgot Password, and look for the account recovery option. This usually involves verifying your identity through email, SMS, and sometimes even submitting a photo of your ID and a selfie holding a note with specific text and the date. Another frequent problem is email verification delays. Check your spam or junk folders for the verification email. If it's still not there, request a resend from the Binance login page. Ensure the email address linked to your Binance account is correct and accessible. Now, let's talk security best practices to prevent future headaches. Always use a strong, unique password for your Binance account. Enable two-factor authentication to FA using a reliable Authenticator app rather than SMS, as SMS can be vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. Regularly review your linked devices and login sessions in your account security settings and log out from any unrecognized devices. Finally, if you're experiencing persistent issues or suspect a more serious account compromise, reach out to Binance support directly through their official channels. They have dedicated teams to assist with complex verification and account recovery scenarios to ensure the safety of your digital assets.